What's going on, everyone? Neal and Liam with Banana Lake Fishing welcome you back to another fishing adventure. Today's episode is going to be a little bit different, as we're not really going fishing, more so we're going discovering. I've got my fishing rod, but instead of fishing, I'm going to drop a GoPro down into the Chicago River at a few of the spots that I like to fish and see if I can find anything on the bottom. Structure, fish, dead bodies, you don't know. And really just want to try and discover what's down there, what am I fishing, and can I see anything that looks really neat. Okay, this is my setup. I have a old 7'6" musky rod, 80-pound braid for strength, and a simple steel leader with a nice big clip on the end. I'm going to clip the leader onto the bottom of the GoPro and sink it down to this first spot. I caught a lot of fish by this big boulder, and then I'm going to try over there, and then I'm going to try down by the bridge as well. I'm going to jury rig a flashlight onto the end of this. It's actually a GoPro light, to see if it gets too dark, the light might kind of brighten things up. Down at the bottom, there's some good weeds, some good dust kicking around, and right here, if we pause it, that's most likely a goby, but I'm not positive, and it skirts away. You can see a lot of bluegill in the background. It's a good school of bluegill, and I'm always catching bluegill here. Again, more bluegill, but now if you look into the upper left, there's two smallmouths that dart away. Good sized smallmouth. Don't mind the trash and the algae, just flotsam. Quick bluegills right here shallow, boom, 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 3 of them. Sinking down, it's about 8 feet, 9 feet, and when we get down there, there is a lot of snags. I'm always losing lures here, and I no wonder why. It's boulders, it's concrete, shrapnel, rocks, everything. And I do catch a lot of rock bass here, which makes a lot of sense. There's good structure, good rocks down here. It seems to be either an old log or a pipe of some sort. Bluegills in the background. Okay, finally our last spot on the edge of this concrete structure. Sinking down, it's about 7 feet here. One bluegill in the screen, and boom, connected with the bottom. Bunch of bluegills in the background. Old rock structures, probably from building this pier.